a woman says, I'm getting so touched out by my kids and it's spilling over to my husband. Help. Dr. Leah, touched out, is that like the kids are touching her so much that then her husband, she doesn't want her husband to touch her? Is that what I'm reading on this question?
Exactly. Maybe it's not the physical touch, but the neediness that accompanies it. Raising children is a full-time job because they depend on you so much. So it could be that your body is telling you you need a break. Know what you're feeling is a natural reaction. So what can you do? First, let your partner know how you feel. Explain to him that it's not that you don't love him or the kids, that you just need some space so you feel like you're more in charge of your body and your time. The same goes for your kids. Let them know you love them, but you need some space and time for yourself. And then build some of that self-time into your routine. Get out of the house for a few minutes, see some friends, make sure you get enough sleep. I know that's hard, but take the help when it's offered and don't be shy about asking for it. Also keep in mind that physical contact can actually help you overcome your reluctance to being touched, especially when the contact is not about caregiving, but about caring for you. So if your husband offers a hug, take it, or cuddle with your children, not when they need the comfort, but just enjoy the closeness.